going on, guys? I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Tommy Tsunami back, and we're gonna be opening some of the packs that we have from our EV10s that we got on Black Friday. I already opened them up, but we got some Burning Shadows. Burning Shadows and some Evolutions. That's some Sun and Moon base. There was some Crimson Invasion, but we drank a little bit and we opened those off camera. So today we are definitely going to pull a Charizard. Alright, not too good so far. Not too good so far. You know, everyone's seen these packs already. I don't really need to go over what's inside of them. Ooh, grab in. Let me get that Vika Bolt too. Ooh, Umbreon GX. Fan favorite. Not bad. Alright. Fan favorite. Let me just put it against the wall. Yeah. I'm really just gonna go through these Sun and Moon packs pretty fast. Nothing too crazy. Oh, yeah, we're doing pretty good on hits though. I mean, even if it's just a hauler, it's still pretty good. I don't know if you guys noticed on my hand, I kind of burned it on Thanksgiving. Got caught in the oven, and yeah, that's that. It's healing pretty well. I accidentally peeled it a little bit yesterday, so it kind of hurts now. But all in all, you know, it's not too bad. Ultra Ball. I plan on opening, I did go to GameStop the other day. I picked up one of those Johto boxes. Planning on opening that soon too. Ooh, Alolan Luck. Okay. But yeah, I believe there's a Sun and Moon and an Evolutions pack and something else, maybe Steam Seeds, I'm not sure. But, you know, it was 25 bucks for 9 packs and the 3 pins, so can't really complain. Pretty decent deal. The pack lineup isn't too great, but what can you ask for? Black Friday, you know, it's a deal, but like, at what cost? Alright, no Charizard. One of these days, we're gonna pull the Charizard on camera. Oh, I mean, we have, but more Charizard. Alright. Ooh, Tapu Fini GX. Tapu Fini. Alright, on to Burning Shadows. Ooh, Fire Energy, that's a good sign. Lana, Spray, Consage, Koga, Pikachu, Pampor, Cutifly, Croagunk, and Beware. Alright. Fighting, Nortel, Dusclops, Metapod, Medita, Pampor, Caterpie, Porygon, Rivry, and Bruxish. I don't even know how to say it, to be honest. Bruxish. Man. I know it's a far cry, but it doesn't feel like we're ever going to pull a Charizard out of these packs. I just opened so many packs recently, and I have not been getting very good hits. You know what I mean? Guzma. Oh, I saw it. Darkrai GX. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of felt it when I was thumbing through it, and there's no texturing on it. Alright. Keep messing up on that. No point going through that. Scolipede. Ooh, Gardevoir GX. Alright, so we got one last Burning Shadows. Hotel, Weakness Policy, Heatmore, Stuffle, like that. Sock on these. Brushes. Okay, that's it for the Burning Shadows. We'll just dive right into evolutions. Charmander, Staryu, and Gyarados Holofoil. Look at that. Alright, Pikachu. See how this one says evolutions and the one before it says X and Y evolutions? Is that recent? Arcanine, Revive, Nidorino. Magikarp, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, Spearlink, and oh, what the heck? Guess I did it wrong. I guess it's one because there's no energy, so it's only 3 cards, I guess. Because the energy can be in the common slot. Charmander, you know what that means. So 1, 2, 3. Followed. Ooh, even can use to duo. Pikachu, Voltorb, and Eradicate. Pikachu. See, this one changed back to X and Y evolutions. Ooh, 2 Spirit Links in a row. Pikachu, Weedle, Diglett, and ooh, Mewtwo EX. This card looks nice. Look at that bad boy. Heal, Pikachu, Staryu, next, Weedle, Metapod, Dugong. Super Potion, Spirit Link, Charmeleon, come on, Vulpix, Energy, Onyx, and Chansey. Look at that. Alright, not too bad so far. We got 3 packs left. Unfortunate. We got 2 packs left. Ooh, Pidgeot EX. Ooh, and a secret rare. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we got going on. Evolutions. 1, 2, 3. Blastoise Spearlink, Pidgeot Spearlink, Blue Whirl, Charmander, Diglett, Drowsy, Caterpie, Doduo, Sandshrew, and Eradicate.